Welcome to Thomas onboarding process. Why is motive important?
My name is Alnor Per Mohammed. I've been driving a few years with Tripod.
My name is Greg Vanderhyde. I work for Wessex Incorporated.
My name is Corey Michael. I'm an owner-operator company driver for C&K Trucking.
Nowadays, truth is a scarce commodity, so a dash cam really helps. When a customer complains, saying, oh, one of your trucks was doing this or that, then Stacy can quickly get, into the dash cam, video or feed, and then he can, see what's going on, right?
Yeah, at the end of the day, having a recording of what's going on is my livelihood, is to keep my license in good status, right? My bad, I had an incident, I changed lanes and hit another car. I had no idea where that car come from. I kept checking the mirrors and there was nothing there. I'm like lifting myself up, trying to look over the hood and everything. There's just nothing there. If I were to get in that accident and I was on my phone or I was accused of being on my phone, at least the cameras will prove I wasn't on my phone. I wasn't talking, I wasn't being distracted. I was doing what I'm supposed to do.
I got a cousin that drives trucks and he don't have a dash cam. And he was sitting at a traffic light, and a gentleman next to him, his back fender was ripped off his car. It was hanging off his car, and he made a claim and said that my cousin sideswiped. You see what I'm saying? And my cousin, he's still fighting that right to this day because he don't have proof. He didn't have proof of what went on in that incident.
It works out great. I'm interested myself, so I look at the end of every shift after you're done driving just to have a recap if there's anything there. So again, it helps it helps me practice better skills. Sometimes I didn't realize how often I was hitting the brakes way too hard until I could see it on the app and think, oh, I'm doing this every day. So you just start, because I know that, then I can change my driving habits.
Seeing that video, it has helped me so much from the fact that slow down. It's simple as that. Just simple as that. Just slow down because you never know what the car in front of you is going to
do. My advice to the other drivers is, it is a good thing, it is, use it to your benefit per se, use it to improve yourself as a driver, use it, to learn from it, because we all develop bad habits over time. It's just human nature.
When management made it clear they're not just sitting there looking at our cameras all day, they got better things to do than to see whether or not we brush their teeth. That's not what it's about. They're not spying it. This camera is there for my protection. Because if somebody said they were my fault, even though they weren't, and I don't have a camera, I feel like as a truck driver, I'm not going to be given the benefit of the doubt. So I can make myself a better driver, and the company's definitely going to prosper from that too.
To be compliant with Thomas Solutions policies, you are required to use Motive app on your phone. Use Truck's Wi-Fi for Motive app only. Camera cannot be blocked at any time. Accidents must be reported immediately. In this video, you will learn how to download the Motive Driver app. Download the Motive Driver app from the Google Play Store if you have an Android device or the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. Step 1. Open Play Store app. Step 2. Tap search box and type in Motive Driver. Step 3. Install Motive Driver app. Step 4. Open Motive Driver app. Step 5. Select Login, sign in using credentials provided to you by management. Do not use email. Step 6. Accept battery prompt. Step 7. Accept location requirements. Adjust settings as shown in the video. Step 8. Accept notifications. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Motiv Driver app on Android. Step 1. Open App Store. Step 2. Type Motiv Driver in the search box. Step 3. Select Get button and install the app. Step 4. Select Login, sign in using credentials provided to you by management. Do not use email. Step 5. Select Allow while using app and allow notifications. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Motiv Driver app on iOS. In this video section, you will learn how to connect to the vehicle. Turn on the ignition. You will find truck's Wi-Fi name and password in the driver's manual. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is enabled on your phone. Open Wi-Fi settings and locate truck's Wi-Fi hotspot. Enter the password. Log into the app. In the main dashboard, you can access logs, inspection mode and vehicle inspection. You can access manuals or call Motiv for support by clicking corresponding button. Or re-watch this video in the apps section. Check if there are any messages from management in the side menu. Select Logs. Select Vehicle. Type in the unit number. If the icon shows green, you are connected. Change duty status to On Duty. Select Vehicle Inspection in the main menu. Select Pre-Trip as your inspection type. Fill in the rest of the form. When done, select Parts. Inspect the vehicle and record any defects in the driver's app part section. Sign the form, select Done and save. If there are no assets to inspect, select Not Now, otherwise select Yes. You have completed pre-trip successfully and are ready for the road. In In this section you will learn how to show logs to an MTO. From the main menu, select Inspection Mode. Select Begin Inspection. Present the logs to the Ministry of Transportation officer. In the Motiv app, select Logs. Select your unit. Select Leave Current Vehicle and Continue. Select Post-Trip in the General section. Complete the section. Select Parts. Inspect the vehicle and record any defects in the driver's app part section. Sign the form, select Done and save. If there are no assets to inspect, select Not Now, otherwise select Yes. Select Duty Status, select Off and save. You have now completed post-trip inspection and logged off duty. For the final step, it is important you log out. Thank you for watching.